Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A32 5G, and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down a little and tap on the wallpaper. And as you can see at the very top of this list, we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, and under it we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we can choose it from My Wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed ones. Under it we've got also the gallery, so obviously after tapping on it we will be transferred to our own photos and we will be able to set them as a wallpaper. And under it we've got also the wallpaper services. Here we've got the option called Apply Dark Mode to the wallpaper, which is right now turned on. Obviously you can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher, and it means that if you will have the dark mode applied, then it will also affect the wallpaper, so it will make it darker. Under it we've got also Explore More Wallpapers, and you can use this button if you've got the internet connection. Then you will be transferred to the Galaxy themes, and you will be able to buy a wallpaper and set it as your own. But let me pick something from My Wallpapers, and here, as I said, we've got some pre-installed ones. And if you like the option, all you have to do is simply tap on it. So let me pick this one for example, and as you can see, now we can decide where we want to set it. So we can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both. So I will pick both. Just tap on the option you'd like to use. This is the preview of the wallpapers, how they will look like. So if you are ready, just tap on set on lock and home screens, and now we can go back and check, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied. Let's check also the lock screen, and on the lock screen it is also visible. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.